السلام عليكم. Today the Arabic lesson is very important. النهارده الدرس العربي مهم قوي. I will say this sentence in Arabic. I will eat bananas with the monkey. The verb to eat in Arabic is ياكل ياكل with مع bananas موز the monkey القرد. So I will say this sentence in the future tense. The verb to eat is ياكل I eat أنا آكل. I will eat. We start like the verb with each letter hit before the verb. So I will eat أنا هاكل. So I will say the sentence I will eat bananas with the monkey now. أنا هاكل موز مع القرد دلوقتي means I will eat the bananas with the monkey now. So انت هتاكل موز مع القرد دلوقتي. For you feminine انت هتاكلي موز مع القرد دلوقتي. For انتو you plural انتو هتاكلوا موز مع القرد دلوقتي. هو هياكل موز مع القرد دلوقتي. هي هتاكل موز مع القرد دلوقتي. and هم هياكلوا موز مع القرد دلوقتي. and احنا هناكل موز مع القرد دلوقتي. I really hope you enjoy this Arabic lesson. Oh my god, it's dangerous. I really hope you enjoy this Arabic lesson, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel at this link, and click like on my Facebook page Egyptian Arabic with علي جمال الجونة مصر. مع السلامة. السلام عليكم مستر علي. وعليكم السلام. I have heard that you will announce about your Egyptian Arabic DVD courses plus the books. Can I sit and listen to you please? Yes, of course. Have a seat. Mr. Ali, can I ask you some questions about your Egyptian Arabic DVD courses plus the books please? Yes, of course. Go ahead. Mr. Ali, are your DVD courses plus the books on YouTube channel? No, they are not on my YouTube channel. Mr. Ali, can you please explain about your courses? My Egyptian Arabic DVD courses plus the books, they are from beginner level till advanced level. Mr. Ali, if anyone gets your Egyptian Arabic DVD courses plus the books, will he be able to speak Arabic well and read and write? Yes, he will be able to speak Arabic well and read and write as well, because in the videos there is subtitles in Arabic letters and in English letters as well, and in the books as well there is first explanation, second exercises, third the answers for the exercises in Arabic letters and in English letters as well. That's great, Mr. Ali. Now, can you please show us one example of your lessons in your DVD courses? Yes, of course. Now, let's see a small example for one of the lessons in level 5, the lesson number 9, the kitchen. Assalamu alaikum. Today, our lesson is about the kitchen. The kitchen in Arabic is المطبخ. The verb to cook in Arabic is يطبخ. أمي بتطبخ كويس في المطبخ. Then how can I say the verb to boil? To boil in Arabic is يغلي. دلوقتي أنا بغلي مية عشان أنا عايز أعمل شاي. Then the verb to grill in Arabic is يشوي. سارة هتشوي فراخ النهاردة. Then the verb to fry in Arabic is يقلي. محمود عايز يقلي بطاطس النهاردة عشان هو جعان قوي. محمود عايز يقلي بطاطس النهاردة عشان هو جعان قوي. Mr. Ali, can you please tell us about your special offer for your courses? Yes, there is a special offer for the first 100 people who will buy my Egyptian Arabic DVD courses plus the books. You will get them all for $100 instead of $140, or in euro will be 90 euro instead of 120 euro, or in Egyptian pounds will be 750 Egyptian pounds instead of 1000 Egyptian pounds. And if you live in Egypt, I will meet you and give you the courses. But if you live outside Egypt, I will send the courses to your email and you can download them on your computer. And for the payment, there are 4 ways. Number 1, you can pay by PayPal. Number 2, by Western Union. Number 3, by MoneyGram. Number 4, to my bank account in Egypt. So you can contact me through Viber or WhatsApp, or you can call me at my telephone number 0100225271, and the key of Egypt is 002. My email aligamal55@gmail.com. My Facebook page Egyptian Arabic with Ali. My Skype name ali.gamal55. My website arabicwithali.com. علي جمال هرجادة Egypt. مع السلامة.
من شهرين ما كنتش كويس في العربي، لكن بعد ما درست مع علي أنا بقيت كويس جدا في العربي. بجد أنا مبسوط جدا عشان أنا بدرس اللغة العربية مع علي.
علي مدرس ممتاز جدا. كل واحد بيفتكر أن اللغة العربية صعبة أوي، لكن مع علي اللغة العربية سهلة أوي.
علي مدرس نشيط وذكي جدا. الدرس ممتع جدا مع علي. شكرا جدا مستر علي.
أنا من اليابان. أنا مبسوط عشان بدرس عربي مع علي في القاهرة.
بجد علي مدرس كويس أوي. إدارة سهل أوي مع علي. شكرا مستر علي.
شكرا.